In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make YouTube Shorts with Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right template and jump straight into editing so you can create vertical, scroll-stopping content without starting from scratch. First, head to canva.com and land on the homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in or create a free account. A free plan is perfectly fine for this tutorial. Starting on the homepage makes it easy to find the tools and sizes built for social platforms. Next, look to the left-hand side and click Templates. This opens Canva's full library, which is organized by use case. Templates are pre-sized, pre-styled designs, so you don't have to worry about dimensions or layout. For YouTube Shorts, that's especially helpful because they're vertical and need to be clear and bold on a phone screen. Now, move to the top and click on the search bar. This is where you'll tell Canva exactly what you're creating. Typing a precise query helps filter out anything that isn't optimized for Shorts. Type YouTube Shorts into the search bar and confirm. Canva will show you designs tailored for the 9:16 vertical format, which is what Shorts uses. If you want, you can skim through styles that match your niche: minimal, bold, colorful, or photo-led. You can also pay attention to which templates are marked as free if you're sticking to the free plan. Look for layouts with strong, legible text and clear focal points, since Shorts are often viewed quickly and on small screens. When you see something you like, click on a sample YouTube Shorts template to open its details. Here, you can preview multiple pages if the template includes a sequence, check the overall aesthetic, and imagine how your title or hook would appear in the first second. A good test is to ask whether your key message would be readable at a glance. Finally, click Customize this template. This opens the template in Canva's editor at the correct vertical size. From here, you can replace the placeholder text with your hook, swap in your own images or short clips, and adjust colors to match your branding. Keep key elements away from the very top and bottom so they don't get covered by interface elements in the YouTube app. Short, punchy lines, high contrast, and quick pacing work best for Shorts. Canva autosaves as you go, so you can experiment safely and iterate until it feels right. That's all you need to get started making YouTube Shorts with Canva. Try a few templates, tailor them to your message, and you'll be ready to create engaging vertical videos in minutes.